Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps behind the camera.
Hi.
Last week you saw us make or upcycle this chair, and this week we're going to make a table to go with the chair. We've got here an old base of a table that we're just going to turn into a small desk. To start this week's project, the first thing we're going to do is to take these two pieces of wood out. We're then going to sand these legs. Once we've sanded, we're going to drill some holes in the legs so that the tabletop can fix on top, and then we're going to prime and paint them. This is going to be our new tabletop. It's a piece of yew wood that we got left over. We're going to first of all round off the corners here. Then we're going to use the rounder and smooth off the edges. Once we've done that, we can sand it all. And then I'm going to take a template and I'm going to draw some strawberries on here. After I took the stencils off, the colour had bled a little bit underneath the stencils, so all I've done is taken the pink colour and just sharpened the edges around the strawberries. Now we're going to cover the sides up with newspaper and spray with some spray varnish over the painted bit. Once we've done that, we're then going to take some oil and oil the rest of the table, and of course we're going to screw the legs on, then the table should be finished. And we will see you in a couple of weeks' time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to say bye-bye.